In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to WordPress in 2025. So whether you're using a WordPress.com or self-hosted WordPress via a hosting provider, this guide will walk you through the both options. So for the option one, if you're using a WordPress.com, so log in with your credentials in the WordPress.com and then open your site dashboard, and in there, look for the upgrades. Click this upgrades, and after that, domains. So look for the domains. So, okay, so you'll need to build your plan first. So this is the domains. Sorry, I didn't say that. So once you are on the domain, select the use a domain I own. So as you can see, this is our primary domain for now, but I don't have yet a own domain. So assumingly we have. So listen carefully as I explain each step so you know what to expect when you have or when you want to connect Namecheap to WordPress. So um click the domain you want to connect with the Namecheap. So after that, connect your domain. So not transfer. Take note of that. And WordPress will give you a name server records. So now let's head over to the namecheap.com. So in here, make sure you are on the domain list. And as you can see, I also don't have a existing domain in here, but let's assume we have. So assumingly we have a domain in here. So click the manage next to your domain, and then under the name server section, choose custom DNS and paste the two name servers given by WordPress.com. So click the green check icon to save. So DNS propagation may take up to 24 to 48 hours. So once complete, your Namecheap will point to your WordPress.com website. So for the option two, if you're using a self-hosted WordPress with hosting like Namecheap, Bluehost, Hostinger, GoDaddy, etc. So log into your web hosting provider like Namecheap or Hostinger or Bluehost. So find your hosting package name server. So this looks usually like something like dns1.namecheaphosting.com, something like that. So copy that, and um after that log in again to your Namecheap server and then go to the domain list and then click the manage next to your domain, and then under name servers choose custom DNS and then paste the name servers you copied from your hosting account and then click save. So once the domain is connected to your host, go to your hosting dashboard onto your WordPress, and in here look for the WordPress installer. So click it, follow the steps, and install WordPress on your domain. So after setting it up, you can now log into your WordPress dashboard by going to your um domain 10/10 WP admin. And that's it. So you've successfully connected your Namecheap domain to WordPress in 2025. So whether you're using a WordPress.com or your own hosting, your domain is now live and ready. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.